Hello and welcome to the Chosen Few, the one and only place for you. My name is Isabel Santine, and today I just wanted to honestly just sit down and give y'all an update, just a heart to heart, because I think you all deserve that. And I've been really busy this year and have not had the time at all to barely release any videos on the Chosen Few software side of things, which I feel really bad about. But I have good reason to not have been super active on this channel. And so, yes, I'm still alive, still very much working on Chosen Few software stuff all year long. And so that's what I'm going to step through here today and update you on. So, starting with the beginning of the year in January through February, I went back to school and got back from vacation, which I know I mentioned in a previous video on New Year's last year. And so or before New Year's last year. And so yeah, the vacation was super fun and relaxing. I got to drink for the first time on New Year's Eve in Spain, which was super fun. I think I had like a champagne with like ice cream in it. It was really yummy. But anyway, so it was a lot of fun to just celebrate New Year's and Christmas in our little Spanish way. And to go back to school after that was it brought me a lot of joy because I love to learn. And unfortunately, around this time, I also returned to my partner at the time, who, let's just say, was very bad for me. To quote Lady Gaga, I got in a bad romance. So moving on to March through May of 2024. Um, at the very beginning of that time period, I actually started experimenting with Hackintosh. Actually, I set up a really cool build on my desktop PC that I had gotten for my birthday a year prior, and I essentially set up Proxmox with two VMs, one for Windows and one for Mac OS, with the goal of this being that I could basically switch between both operating systems as if I was dual booting, but without having to reboot at all. Actually, real quick for y'all, I'm gonna demonstrate what this actually looks like from like real like okay, what's on the computer screen perspective. And so basically what I can do here is I can switch to a second desktop on my Windows machine, drag the mouse over, and instantly be in Mac OS, which is super freaking cool. And we can actually go ahead and navigate to a web page here. Start playing a YouTube video. Once that loads in.
Hello and welcome to the Chosen Few, the one and only place for you.
Just fine.
My name is Isabel Sand.
Which again is super freaking cool, and I'm really proud of this setup. So yeah, back to the video. And as a result, I'll be able to port a lot of our major mobile apps to iOS very soon. So stay tuned for that. Around this time, I also finished developing Save version 1.2.1, which has yet to be released because I got caught up in a lot of other stuff. But you definitely have seen, if you're a fan at all of our brand and of this channel, you've definitely seen that uploaded with the advertisement with Eli playing as Robbie Aprils, just being an absolute goofball. I love the guy. He's my best friend, and just bravo, Eli. Great performance. And finally, towards the end of May of this year, I sort of started finding out that maybe something was wrong in terms of my mental health. There were a lot of signs of it for a long time before that, but they just started to get worse and worse and worse. And that's something that came to head moving into June and continuing into the present. And because of this unforeseen mental health stuff that popped up for me, it's actually caused some substantial delays for the Save project, and unfortunately, it's going to be on hiatus until further notice. In the meantime, though, I've also updated Super Patrick to version 1.8.4 with some improved multiplayer stuff, including an actual lobby experience now, which wasn't there before, as well as some prep work for the iOS release, which is hopefully going to still come out later this year. Not only that, but the Surge project is finally ready for its first round of beta testing. So definitely reach out to me at info@chosenfewsoftware.com if you are interested, and check out chosenfew.software/projects/surge-web for more information about the project, including what it's all about, how it works, and how it can actually save you a lot of money on bandwidth as a website owner. And finally, I am trying to keep this under wraps as best as possible, but there's a new game project that the entire Chosen Few software team is working on that I'm just super excited to share with y'all later this year, potentially releasing in fall of 2024. So definitely look into that later this year, and I'll try to have a trailer up very soon. And to bring this video to a close, I just want to kind of say thank you for all of you who have continued to support me either on the Patreon, in the comments section here on YouTube, or elsewhere on social media, on the web, and pretty much anywhere else. You are so important to me. You keep me going, and I can't do any of this without the attention and just the interest and financial support that all of you give me. It's really important to me. Please bear with me as I continue to work through a lot of this heavy mental health stuff. I'm so deep in it right now, and there's so much to figure out, so many questions that remain unanswered. And so I'm just going to need a lot of time to heal and figure all this out. So I really appreciate y'all waiting on me for that. And finally, I'm excited for the future. Please subscribe to our Patreon if you're at all interested in financially supporting either the development of our new game demo coming out later this year. That would honestly be super helpful, please. And beyond that, it helps us know that what we're doing is interesting to all of you. And even if you can't chip in financially, you can always join as a member for free on our Patreon page and get access to non-public posts that way. So thank you so much, everyone, for watching this quick update video. I hope to see you on the flip side later this year once I have some more of this stuff more well on the way. So again, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!